Hi guys, it's Khalid Saifuddin with the call for gold for 24th November 2025. We are going to discuss the current position of gold and what is going to happen in next week. Plus, we'll try to cover a little bit about the week already closed. Well, in the last week, we were hesitant in gold longs. We were more looking into the possibilities of short and strength. And that was more because of the strength in the dollar index. And now let's discuss the dollar. Dollar right now, it is at 12,868, the dollar index. What we see in the dollar right now, the last session was closed in a little bit of exhaustion, but that is not validating the efforts of bears right now. I see the exhaustion to be more or better once the dollar index breaks 12,860, whereas bulls can resume their energy and regain their control by trading and holding above 12,888. Let's go and check it out, the gold. Here I'm trying to show you in the chart what the XAUUSD gold is doing. Here I'm trying to show you the two charts, the weekly candle chart and the daily candle chart. If you look into the weekly candle chart, you see the bigger volatility, which is of almost $500. If you look into the high of the gold and the recent low, which is around 4,990 something, so it was a volatility of $500. And then later on in the following weeks, the last 3 weeks, bulls noticed with the efforts to come up. And they did, and now they are back around 4,000, which is exciting. But the indecision is evident on chart. If you look on to the daily candles on the right side of the chart, you will see the consolidation phase, number one. Number two, if you look into the last closing sessions of the week, you will see a move in a defined and a limited range in all those 5 sessions, limiting itself in that range. So, which is pointing on declining volatility in the middle. And the consolidation phase points on the possibility of upcoming direction in a gold. And to do that, we have to follow the call. And what call says, as I said, in last couple of calls, I was discouraging long, right? And because the indecision in metal was quite evident and moved in a limited range. Now I'm recommending for Monday or for the coming week, and that is going long above 4092, which I called a daring long. Why daring long? Daring long because always the daring long always having a more risk than the regular long. And I see regular long or a better long above 4,106.40 for chasing next levels. And then metal will be exciting and established in favor of bulls once it starts sustain and closing above 4158.40. You have to remember that all these resistances like 4092, 4106 and 4158 got the ability to resist the metal, the bull's activity in the metal. So there we can also check for the short and strength, which we discuss more. Now, check it out, the possibility of shorts. Shorts, we can think of short below 4053, number one, first short for targeting 4035, and that is going to be a daring short. Then the next short possibility, if it trades below 4033 and 4027, then it's going to be a better and stronger short, and we are going to see a rally in favor of bears. Okay, and remember that 4033, 4027 area is a very good support. It has the ability to reverse the move also. So be careful, exit from the short and then check it out for new short if breaks and sustains below 4027. These were the possibility of short, but short on strength, for that you have to look into the exhaustion in bull's recovery. And for that I already highlighted the major resistances, which are 4092, 4106 and 4158. And all those levels which are important for the coming week is already given in below lines, and you will also be having daily updates and during market updates if you are following our calls on our WhatsApp groups. I hope this video will help you in trading in metal. We don't have a major data for gold and US dollar, so follow the news. And if you like the video, you are more than welcome to comment on our video. Thank you and have a good one.